Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best propane fire pit tables that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the HF36177AA Ashwick Propane Fire Pit Table by Bluegrass Living. With its sleek, modern design, this fire pit table combines elegance and functionality. Handcrafted with weather-resistant MgO, magnesium oxide construction, it boasts durability that can withstand harsh outdoor elements. The simple, bold design, paired with shiny black crystal glass beads, makes it a visually stunning addition to any patio or deck. The fire pit features a 40,000 BTU stainless steel burner, offering a steady and warm flame for your cozy evenings. While it doesn't pack the same power as some higher BTU options, it's more than sufficient for smaller outdoor spaces or intimate gatherings. Plus, it comes with a protective 210D Oxford fabric cover to shield it from environmental damage. However, at only 13.2 inches in height, its compact size may not provide the same visual impact as larger models. This is the most expensive option on our list, priced at $189. And while it offers excellent build quality and aesthetic appeal, its lower heat output and smaller form factor may not justify the high price for everyone. If you're looking for a stylish, space-saving fire pit table with premium materials, this one's a solid choice. Pros include its modern design and durable build, while cons are its lower BTU output and higher price point. At number 4, we have the Serene Life Outdoor Propane Fire Pit Table. This unit offers a balanced combination of style, performance, and convenience. With a 50,000 BTU heat output, it delivers ample warmth for outdoor gatherings. The CSA and ETL certifications ensure a safe and reliable experience, and features like auto flame-out protection and a pulse ignition system add to its dependability. What sets this model apart is its design. The square PE wicker base paired with a tile top gives it a sturdy yet elegant look. It's also weather-resistant, making it a great option for year-round use. The concealed propane tank storage in the base keeps your setup looking neat and organized. However, the 30-inch height might make it a bit bulkier than other options, which could be a drawback if you're short on space. Priced at $149.99, it offers good value for money considering its durable build and high heat output. The assembly process is straightforward, taking about 20 to 30 minutes with 2 people. While it's a fantastic option for those looking for an aesthetically pleasing fire pit with reliable performance, the bulkier design and slightly lower user rating, 3.9, might be worth noting. Pros include its stylish wicker design and high heat output, while cons are its size and average user reviews. Taking the third spot is the Bally Outdoors Propane Fire Pit Table. This model stands out with its generous 42-inch tabletop, making it perfect for hosting outdoor gatherings. The expansive surface provides ample space for drinks, snacks, or even casual dining, while the sleek, modern design ensures it blends seamlessly with your outdoor decor. With a heat output of 50,000 BTU, this fire pit table offers consistent warmth and an even flame distribution. The piezo ignition system makes it easy to light, while the sturdy metal construction ensures durability against weather and regular use. However, at 46.7 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which means it's not as portable as some other options. While the price for this model is not currently available, its combination of a large tabletop, high heat output, and stylish design makes it a strong contender. It's ideal for those who prioritize functionality and aesthetics. The biggest pros are its large surface area and even heat distribution, while cons include its weight and lack of portability. In the runner-up position, we have the size 28-inch tabletop propane fire pit. This portable tabletop model is perfect for those who want a compact, versatile fire pit for their patio or camping trips. Featuring a robust 50,000 BTU heat output, it keeps your outdoor space warm and inviting, even on cooler nights. The included glass wind guard ensures steady flames, while the blue glass beads add a touch of elegance. What makes this fire pit unique is its adaptability. It can be easily set up on coffee tables, dining tables, or even tables with umbrella holes thanks to its flexible hose connector. With its lightweight construction at just 20 pounds, it's one of the most portable options on our list. The durable stainless steel burner ensures long-lasting performance, and the included rain cover protects it from the elements. Priced at $139.99. This fire pit offers excellent value for its features. It's ideal for those who want a stylish, portable option without sacrificing performance. However, its smaller size means it's better suited for intimate gatherings rather than large groups. Pros include its portability and versatile setup options, while cons are its limited tabletop size and smaller flame visibility. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the 28-inch Propane fire pit table by Wharf. At just $104.49, this fire pit table delivers incredible value without compromising on quality. With a powerful 50,000 BTU heat output, it's perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere on chilly nights. The ETL certification ensures safety, and the Piezo ignition system makes it easy to start and adjust the flame. The design is modern and functional, featuring a stylish black cement tabletop and textiline fabric sides that are both lightweight and weather-resistant. The included lid allows you to transform it into a functional coffee or dining table when not in use, adding to its versatility. Adjustable foot pads ensure stability on uneven surfaces, and the lava rocks enhance heat distribution for a consistent experience. This fire pit table is the best budget option on our list, offering a great combination of performance, build quality, and price. While it may lack some premium features, such as a wind guard or crystal glass beads, it excels as an affordable, reliable solution for outdoor heating. Pros include its affordability, high heat output, and 2-in-1 functionality, while cons are its simpler design and fewer included accessories. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.